In front of me is LENOVO Idea Tab Plus 12.1 Mate Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Start by opening Clock app that's already on your Lenovo and tapping on those three dots at the top right corner. Then select Settings and adjust all of those options under Alarms however you want to, like snooze. Once you're done, go back, click on Alarms on the left if they are not already on, and choose Add Alarm at the top left corner. Finally, set up an hour and hit OK in the pop-up. Now click on your new created alarm to adjust it to your needs. Tap on days of the week you want to choose. And if you want to exclude any of them, click on this plus next to pause alarm and pick specific dates. Then choose OK at the bottom right corner. If you want to, you can always tap on cancel if you change your mind, and they will disappear. Now click on alarm name to name it if you want to, and choose sound. Over here you can download Spotify music or YouTube music right away. You can also do it later on from Play Store. To use any of those platforms, click on the chosen one over here and log in to use music from it. You can also choose Add New under your sounds to pick any song from your tablet and set it up. If you don't want to do it either, just pick one of those, like Rooster. If you are using Google Assistant routines, to add your alarm to any of them, click on this plus next to the routines, and then set it up. If you don't, you can always do it later. To save your changes, hit save at the bottom right corner of this pop-up. If you wish to edit it at any point, just click on it. If you want to turn on or off your alarm, use this switcher right next to it. And to get rid, I just wanted to make sure it's on. If you want to delete any of them, click on the chosen one and tap on delete at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!